Well, hello, this is Rene Michelle Floyd, CEO, owner, and creator of Beautiful Hair Products. Now, if you love to mix and concoct ingredients together to create hair care products, but you're at a loss at how to find your customers and how to get the products in their hands, then my 6 steps to launching your online hair care business and having customers waiting to buy is especially for you. I have over 17 years of experience in this arena, and I want to help you with the learning curve. I have many years of mistakes that I'd like to help you avoid. So if you are like me and you love to create and love to help people and share your creations with other people, but you just don't know how to start, where to start, then my 6-step online workshop is especially for you. Fill out the form below and I will see you at the workshop.